Hey guys, Kurinji here, once again bringing the worst out of the VTuber community, and today we have something tangentially VTuber related as the subject of our topic. Just turns out to be a VTuber, and who I'm talking about? Well, I'm talking about a Blizzard employee. Yes, that Blizzard. That company that used to make incredible games. They were known to set benchmarks for quality and production values. But nowadays, they're just known for shoddily released products, broken promises, employee harassment, both of the sexual and violence type equation, so to speak. And they're generally a huge disappointment. And every single time they do a no-no, they make sure to release some kind of deflection, usually of the woke variety. Let's say an employee steals someone's breast milk from the company's fridge. They'll release a gay character or say someone in their hero roster in Overwatch is trans or whatever. That's what they do. So I wonder what they will do to this one. But without further ado, let's get right into the story. So this user by the name of COD Code 904 has recorded a video showing a Blizzard employee by the nickname Blitzcraig griefing people in Overwatch, including himself. Let's see what he had to say. Same Blizzard employee, parentheses Blitzcraig, was hate watching me a few weeks ago, AFK and griefs games on stream. Gives up and says my team doesn't deserve to win. I made sure of that. Setting a great example for a Blizzard community specialist. Smiley faced. Hashtag Overwatch Dev Appreciation 2023. But you know, to his defense, he's a Blizzard community specialist. Doesn't say what he specializes in. Maybe it's griefing that he specializes in. Who knows? But that's just a little joke. Just like Blizzard is a little joke. And he also had this to say. Please, I beg, provide job training for employees. This is beyond unprofessional. This is what they do while streaming. Imagine what they earn streaming. I'm beyond disappointed. I hope there is a redemption arc. Let's actually watch the video to see what this fabulous employee has been up to while he games in Overwatch 2. Yep, my team didn't deserve to win. I made sure of that. Just take it. I know I am hard countered, but my team refuses to step up. And there's their account. Community specialist for Play Overwatch.
I really could use that nano.
Get out of my way or I'll run you over.
I really could use that nano.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
Pretty childish, yeah. Just sitting AFK in the ready room. What an asshole.
I really could use that nano.
And yeah, as you can probably understand, this is not a very good look for someone working as a community specialist for Blizzard. It should be an example of how not to behave, but setting things like that, it's not gonna be looking good for him once his employers find out. But then again, they haven't done things to worst employees that haven't found out to be sexually harassing others. That's a completely different story for another time. If I'm so inclined to cover that sometime in the future, if Blizzard decides to do more of that stuff, and I bet they will, because it's the same old with them nowadays. Disappointingly so. But yeah. LMFAO, bro. You literally can't make this up, lol. LOL, they deleted the VOD to hide the evidence. That's wild. And let's see what actually happened to them since that time, if you didn't catch it from the video itself. Craig, Katie, community specialist for Play Overwatch. I am no longer using this platform for personal social. Find me on Katie Games on Threads/Instagram. Tweets are my own. And tweets are protected. I do wonder why. Oh, maybe it's related to his actions beforehand. Or maybe it's just a complete coincidence. You be the judges of that. But for right now, that's everything. And I hope to see you on the next one.